tracking the items by their model numbers is done as simple as, for example, laptops. You just go in, go to Assets, add a model number, which is a laptop, and let's call it a Dell laptop. We'll say the code is Dell laptop. The model name is going to be Dell laptop. We will go to asset type. We'll say this is a computer. Cost $899. Description Dell laptop 1000. Category, this is electronic, IT electronics. Manufacturer is Dell Inc. Once you create the model, you just hit save. Now, if you're receiving a bunch of Dell laptops, you can either receive it from here or add them one at a time, or receive them from with the scanner. To add them one at a time, you just come in here, you say I want to add an asset. You'll give it a code, you'll give it a name. Let's just call it Dell LP1. The model, here's your Dell laptop, so it'll auto-populate all the items. You say you bought it, and you fill up all the rest and hit save. That's one way. Current location, you say I received it to warehouse number 1 and hit save. That's one way of adding them. The other way is to either receive them all to a warehouse. So you say I'm receiving all these things to warehouse number 2. I'm receiving the Dell laptop. I'm about to receive, and then you start entering the serial numbers. So here's the serial number for the first one, Dell laptop. Here's the serial number for the second one, and hit process. A third way is to create a purchase order, where you come in, create a purchase order. You say I want a new PO. The PO number is really 12334T. The supplier will be this guy, or you can leave the supplier out. The asset is going to be the Dell laptop, and we're about to receive 3 of these. Hit save. The supplier, let's just say this one. You hit save. Now, if you want to receive against that, you just simply go to transactions, receive. The location, warehouse number 1, for example. Purchase order is this one. Oops, purchase order is going to be this one. Here are all the laptops. You just enter the serial numbers one after another and hit process. Now it's just a matter of movements. So you just come in here, you say I want to move to this customer one of these laptops. So you can either look it up, or you can just simply just go in here, and you just simply select the one and then move them between locations. So this way, ultimately, you dispersed of these laptops. Now, to know what they are, you just go in, create a report, say I want an asset inventory report, and you say I want to add a new one. Let's call this test by model number report. You can call it anything you want. RPT. We go next. Let's just add the model number of the asset to this. Model name. We add it. Current location. Let's just remove this. Maybe let's add the person who has it also. So person name. We go next. Let's group this by the model number, so we'll always know where our models are at. Next, finish. Here's our report. So now if we want to filter this by warehouse, we can come in here and say, okay, show, or by model number, we can come in here and say, show me all the laptops that I have by their model number. So I just come in here, model name, like the word Dell. And now if I preview the report, here's my report of all my Dell. See here, all the Dell laptops we have in the warehouse, and then everything we need about Dell. So that's how you do it by receiving quantities and moving them to certain places.